bucket time! Hi guys, it's fantastic seeing you. Can you hear that sound? Wow! Toot toot! Come on, let's go and see what it is. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Come on. Let's all take a look. Fantastic. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Wow! Come on! Today's object begins with the letter T, which makes the T sound. T. Can you make that sound? Wow, that's fantastic! T. Now, it goes along a track. It can take you to lots of different destinations. And can you hear that? Yes, I think you might be right. Let me have a look. It's a train. Wow. But where is the carriage? Shall I see if it's in the bucket? Okay. It is. Here it is. Here is the carriage and it connects to the train. Like that. But where is the train driver? You think it might be in the bucket too? I'll have a look. Yes, you're right. Here is the train driver. And he says, "Tickets please, tickets." And he drives the train. There you go, Mr. Train Driver. Oh, but wait a minute. You haven't got any passengers, Mr. Train Driver. Oh, they're in the bucket too. Okay, I'll have a look. You wait there. We have a little girl and she said she'd like to go to the seaside. We have a zookeeper and he wants to go to the zoo. And a little puppy. He said, "Woof woof, I want to go to the sea with the little girl." Okay, let's jump aboard and see where our train takes us. Down at the station early in the morning, see all the puffer trains all in a row. Here comes the driver to start up the engine. Puff, puff, toot, toot, off we go. Choo, 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 choo. Wow, look, we're at the train station. The train driver is just about to call, "Tickets please, tickets." The little girl gives the train driver her ticket and jumps aboard. Don't forget your puppy. Here he comes, gives the ticket and jumps up and joins the little girl. Are you ready? Puffer train, noisy little puffer train. If you're going to the sea, puffer train, won't you please take me? Woo woo! Noisy little puffer train, noisy little puffer train. Wow, I hope she has so much fun at the seaside.
Oh look, the little girl and the puppy are at the beach. The little girl is getting her picnic ready with big juicy apples and plump blueberries. Delicious. Oh look, over there. There is the puppy with a little red crab. They are building a sandcastle. That looks amazing. I hope they both have a really good time. This little girl is playing in the sand on the beach. She has got all her beach toys with her. Digging and shoveling, playing in the sand. This is the letter S, which makes the S sound. Look, S is for sun. Sun. S is for sun. S is also for sandcastle. Sandcastle. S is for sandcastle. And for sea. Sea. S is for sea. S. This is the letter S, and it makes the sound S. S.
Look, next to jump aboard is the zookeeper, because he wants to go to the zoo to see all the animals. He gives the train driver the ticket. There we go. And he jumps aboard. Are you ready? Puffer train, noisy little puffer train. If you're going to the zoo, puffer train, won't you please take me? Woo woo! Noisy little puffer train, noisy little puffer train. Bye, zookeeper. Wow, I hope he has a fantastic time at the zoo and he sees all his favourite animals. Wow, fantastic!
The zookeeper is now at the zoo. Wow, he can see all his favourite animals. I can see some too. Can you? What other animals can you see at the zoo? Look, there is a gorilla. Look at him, he's amazing. And there's some meerkats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little meerkats. Oh, a panda bear. He is just laying there chilling, eating his favourite snack, bamboo. He's really enjoying that. This is the letter Z, and it makes the sound Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Z is also for zoo. Zoo. This is the letter Z, and it makes the sound Z.
Down at the station early in the morning, see all the puffer trains all in a row. Here comes the driver to start up the engine. Puff, puff, toot, toot, off we go. Puff, puff, toot, toot, off we go.
A train station. This train station is very busy, with lots of people all going to different destinations. Before you jump aboard, don't forget to scan your ticket. Look, these people are waiting to jump aboard. I wonder where they're going. Open the doors. All aboard! Hooray! Off we go! Choo choo! I wonder where they're going. Where would you go on the train? Bye! Bye, little train! Choo choo! A little red train. Wow! Let's jump aboard and see where it takes us. Tickets, please! Tickets!
Look, it's a train. Come on, let's get on it.
Come on, you come too! Can you hear that sound? That is the sound of the train on the track. Clickety-clack. Clickety-clack.
Wow, that's fantastic!
Wow, I had a fantastic train ride. See you again soon, little red train, for another train adventure.
Look, we're at the train track. When the green light shows, that means we can go across the track. But when it shows red, that means stop, don't cross. Can you hear that sound? Here comes the train now! How exciting! Fantastic! Look, here comes the train! Wow! Look at all those trains. I wonder how many there are. Shall we count them together? Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trains. But what colour are they? Come on, let's do that together too. Are you ready? Red, yellow, green, blue and orange. Hooray! Fantastic! Engine number 9, coming down the London line. If she's polished, how she'll shine. Engine number 9. Ch 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 ch. Woo-hoo! It's time for me to go now. I had so much fun playing with the train today, but now it's time to put the train away so we can play with it another day. First we put the carriage in and then the train. We say goodbye to the train driver. See you next time, train driver. Bye. And in he pops. All put away and ready for another day. I hope to see you again soon with me, Sarah Jane, on Bucket Time. See you later, guys. Bye. Bye.
Remember, you're fantastic.